Hey kids, hey Benaya, Yalla, Vigan, Vitar. So, what do we have here today? We've got another chapter of the firefighters rescue vehicles power teams, and this is it. Ready to open them up? Now, we've got a great surprise for you today, and you'll see it next. Now, this is it. Let's open it up. Fire department. 1, 2, 3, and go. A great crane, but it doesn't move to all sides. Bit weird. See here, fire department has all the tools inside. Looks pretty much detailed inside, although you can see it. Non-branded, but great decast metal, mostly metal too. Let's put it here. And what do we have here? The blue one. Open it up. What do you say it is? What do you say it is? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, and go. Whoa. That's a four-wheel drive rescue. Looks like a Jeep, really, if you can see it here. The front is definitely a Jeep. Not a Land Rover, not a Toyota. It has the rescue equipment here on the top. Pretty much a beauty, right? Let's see here. Let's open the red one. It's really, oh, the red one is the surprise. What do you say inside? Whoa, look! Chopper, helicopter, rescue team helicopter. Looks like a combat. Really? Combat helicopter? Because of these that are made for missiles, I assume. And this is it. It can see. And this one doesn't move, it goes. That's weird. The thing that it's like opens without really a reason. Looks smaller now.